Hi everyone. Hello Pupunisens. And I would like to thank the Lord for all the blessings, especially po nanalo po tayo sa pa-event po ni Pupu. Thank you Pupu Live Philippines for the Coco Fest event that I am one of the winner po ng brand new cell phone, and I choose the prize instead of cell phone. I choose the 1.5 million points, and I cash it out. So winidraw ko po siya, almost 9,000 pesos, and I decided to do it so that I can share it to all EJ members that are active and participating po sa event, especially sa event ni Popo Live. So abangan nyo po, we will have this raffle to all EJ members that are active po in our EJ agency website and also in Popo Live Philippines. So thank you once again, Popo Live apps. Thank you, Popo Philippines. And thank you, AJ Angels, for all the love and support that you have given to our family. God bless everyone.
Hello po, ito na pang akin na panalunan sa Popo Live. I-unbox na po natin. Ito po siya. Ayun. Ang ganda niya. Hindi ko pa nga nagbuksan. Ito po siya. Ayan po. Unbox po natin siya. Ito. Wala. Oh my God. Hindi pa nga nabubuksan. Hala. Ang daming bubble wrap. Ito na po siya. Wait na. Ito na po siya. Ito na po siya. Ito na po siya. Ang ganda niya. Thank you, Popo. Ito na po. Unbox po natin. Diba? Ito po siya sa loob. Thank you, Popo. Ito na po yung phone. Hello. Hi. Oh my God. Ito na po siya. Ito na po yung phone. Redmi Note 15 5G. Ito na po. Open po natin siya. Ito na po. Ito na po yung phone. Oh my god. Ano ba ito? Ito, dito po. Ito ba? Ay, hindi. Ito na po yung phone. Oh my god. The Redmi Note 15. Open po natin siya. Heto na po yung phone. Oh my god. Ito na po yung phone. Ito po yung phone. Oh my god. Ito po siya. Ayan po. Golden Coconut Rocks. Thank you po. Thank you, Popo.
Napanalunan kong cellphone. Thank you very much po. Ito na po siya, yung Redmi Note 15. Thank you very much po. Ito po siya, na-receive ko na. Thank you very much po talaga po. At kung sa mga pa-event nyo, salamat po.
They say that all you need is faith, but it's almost like you lost your way. Took a few wrong turns, took a few breaks, falling behind now looking for grace. Cause you need someone to lift you up, yeah, make right all the things you've done. Cause on your own you'll never know. If you believe you can move the highest mountains, cross the greatest oceans, and walk across the water. Believe you can move the highest mountains, cross the greatest oceans, and walk across the
Ano mo natin? Thanks, Popo. I love it.
Thank you, Popo. I love it.